Hey guys, welcome back to Technova 5.0. Today, seeing the present time where the world is fighting against the COVID-19 outbreak and many of us stuck in our home. Let's check out that how can the Apple Watch help you stay fit, healthy and happy in this lockdown. There are 7 major ways in which this watch right from your wrist can make your life much easier and better. Starting off with 3 major health features. First, the most necessary in this time, oxygen monitoring or SpO2 tracking. Checking on your oxygen levels is most important in the COVID time. Apple Watch Series 6 is capable to do so, and it keeps check of your oxygen every minute and informs you when your level drops. And the calculation and calibration is the best in the bunch. Second of all is heart rate tracking 24/7. Apple Watch tracks your heart rate every minute and monitors it in 3 types: your walking average, resting heart rate and normal heart rate. The sensors in the Apple Watch are amazing, giving you the most accurate numbers. And this will help you to track your heart rate and get safety protocol measures taken in time if your heart rate is dropping low or increasing high. Third is electrocardiogram. Yes, your watch can take your ECG at any time. Isn't that amazing? You can get your heart rhythm through your wrist at any time. Even it is very simple. Just open the app and keep your index finger on the digital crown for 30 seconds, and that's it. You get a PDF of your report on your iPhone. Fourth one is also very important. Yes, again, your watch can help you with washing your hands by turning on the automatic timer after recognizing the sound of water and the motion of your hands. It automatically turns on a 20-second timer and remind you to continue wash your hands if you stop before the timer, and gives you a compliment after completing 20 seconds of hand wash. Now let's come to some fitness and exercise features. Doctors have recommended everyone to do breathing exercise every day, and yes, Apple Watch can even help you with this. With the help of Breathe app, through the haptics, you can do simple breathing routines varying from 1 minute to 5 minutes, and it helps you to inhale, exhale and keeps your lung fresh. Next is the fitness app, which will help you to stay fit even at home. From so many workouts to choose from, be it be walk or high intensity interval training, you can track it all from your wrist, doing blazing fast runs and aerobics at home, keeping you healthy. Isn't that cool? But a sub to the channel will also be amazing. Coming to what the watch can do itself for you. It will keep you motivated from reminding you to stand up and complete your move goal, and giving you trophies after completing them. Yes, your watch gives you trophies. All of that is amazing, and much more can be done through your watch. Yes, it is. That is it guys for today's video. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.